Cycling has always been a big part of my life. Like many kids, I grew up with a bike, riding around to friends' houses and to school. As I got older, I never stopped, and riding around the neighborhood turned into 30-mile loops to nearby towns. Travel during summer breaks in school inspired long-term road trips and van life as I got older. And then I learned about bike touring.
Why the hell did I decide to do this in the winter? It's hailing or snowing. I'm not
Cycling the coast alone in the winter has been a life-changing and empowering experience. I now know exactly what I'm physically and mentally capable of after having pushed both of those limits on a few of the longer days in the saddle. Many of my friends and people I met along the way asked why I left so late in the year, and I always told them that it was just how the timing worked out, which is true, but frankly part of it was to challenge myself knowing the weather might be miserable.
I really wanted to fly the drone right now, but it's too dang windy. I think it would just disappear off into the ocean.
best memories I have of the whole adventure are of the people I met and the kindness they showed. Multiple times I had strangers walk up to me to say good luck, offer me food, and a few times even invite me to stay the night at their house, which I was very grateful for in the sub-zero but somehow still wet conditions. I did end up having to end my ride early in Northern California due to the extreme flooding and landslides, but I was a little relieved to not be dealing with the traffic anymore, especially since it gets worse on Highway 1 and the shoulder gets narrower. And next time I plan a route, I want to do something on gravel, like the Great Divide mountain bike route. Well, friends, thanks for joining me on this adventure. I hope it's been fun to watch and maybe even inspires you to get out on your own bike. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.